Hey foodies, welcome back to Blogging Good Food. Today, we are diving into the world of spaghetti squash and getting creative with our recipes. Stick around because these ideas are about to squash your ordinary spaghetti expectations. First thing first, let's get acquainted with our star ingredient, spaghetti squash. Its mild, slightly sweet flavor makes it a versatile and healthy alternative to traditional pasta. Plus, it's a breeze to prepare. Craving the classic comfort of spaghetti? Swap your pasta for spaghetti squash. The natural crunch and nutty undertones of the squash pair perfectly with the rich tomato sauce and hearty meatballs. It's a guilt-free way to indulge in your favorite comfort food. Now, let's take it up a notch with a luxurious twist. Spaghetti squash carbonara. Creamy, indulgent, and oh so satisfying. Picture strands of squash coated in a velvety sauce with crispy bacon and a shower of parmesan. Your taste buds won't know what hit them. Who said pizza can't be healthy? Introducing spaghetti squash pizza bowls, the guilt-free pizza night. Pile on your favorite veggies, add a generous amount of melted cheese, and bake until golden. It's a low-carb, veggie-packed alternative that satisfies all your pizza cravings. But wait, there's more. Spaghetti squash for dessert? Oh yes, brace yourself for a sweet surprise. Roasted spaghetti squash with a sprinkle of cinnamon and sugar transforms into a delightful treat. It's a unique way to satisfy your sweet tooth while keeping it light and flavorful. And there you have it, foodies. Creative and tasty ways to enjoy spaghetti squash. Which one are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to squash that like button if you enjoyed this video.